Hello third graders! Let's check our answers together. So this is the activity that I shared on Seesaw. And let's start from our slide 1. So it says, use a stopwatch. How long does it take you to name 10 animals? Record them below. So let me pull out my stopwatch first. I'm going to start it. I'm going to go back and I'm going to start writing down. So dog, I'm done with my recording, so I'm going to stop. It took me 35 seconds, so I'm going to write 35 here. And let's move on to the next question. Use a stopwatch. How long does it take you to write 7 times 8 is equal to 56 15 times? Okay, so let me pull out my timer again and make sure to reset it. Here we go. So I need to write this equation 15 times. I wonder if I have space for this. How many times did I write? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 4 more. Am I done now? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 5. Exactly. So let me stop my timer. It took me 58 seconds. Hold on, let me write it again. So 58 seconds. So make sure to label your unit. Let's go on to the next question. Use a stopwatch to measure the time for each activity. Write your full name. So for me, that's gonna be Leo King. Let me stop my timer. It took me 8 seconds to do. Let's see what happened. Okay, do 20 jumping jacks. I'm not gonna do 20 jumping jacks, but I'm just going to say it will take me 2 minutes maybe. And the whisper count by 2's from 0 to 30. Let me start my timer once again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. It took me 12 seconds. And draw 8 squares. I need to reset. 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm done. Let me go back. It took me 14 seconds. Skip count out loud by 4's from 24 to 0. Oh, I have to say it in a descending order. So let me reset it. Let me go back. 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, 0. Did I do it right? Okay. It took me 13 seconds. Say the names of your teachers from kindergarten to grade 3. Miss Gang doesn't remember her teachers, but you can take your time to measure that, okay? Let's move on to number 3. Match the analog clock with the correct digital clock. So let's look at the first one. So we see the shorthand falls somewhere between 10 and 11. That means it's got to be 10. And the long hand is pointing at 3, which is 15. Do I see 10, 15? Yes, it's right here. Next one, the shorthand is pointing 3, but not quite 3. That means it's still 2. And the long hand is pointing 10, which is 50. Is there 250 around here? Yes, it's right here. Next one, this is an easy one. It's 11 o'clock. Next one is 7:05. There we go. So that's how we do this activity. Next, Noah uses a number line to locate 5:45 p.m. Each interval is 5 minutes. The number line shows the hour from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Label the number line below to show his work. So we first need to label the number line. So if this is 5 o'clock, we know that this is 5:05, 5:10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 55. Now I need to find a point where 5:45 falls. And it's going to be somewhere here. So that's the answer for my slide number 4. Let's go to number 5. Follow the direction to label the number line below. Ingrid gets ready for school between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. Label the first and last tick marks at 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. So where's my first tick? It's right here. I need to label the 7 a.m. And what is my last tick? It's right here, which is 8 a.m. Each interval represents 5 minutes. Count by 5 starting from 0 or 7 a.m. Label each 5-minute interval below the number line up to 8 a.m. So just like how I did on my previous slide, I just need to label my number line. I'm done with these two. Ingrid starts getting dressed at 7:10. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Where is my 7:10? It's going to be here because we know that this is 7 and I need to find just 10. And I'm going to label D. Next one is 7:35. I need to find 35 alone on the line, and it's going to be this one here. I'm going to draw my dot and label it A. The last one is Ingrid starts brushing her teeth at 7:40. Where is my 7:40? It's right here, and I'm going to label it T. So that's the answer for this activity. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let us know. We have another activity today. Have fun!